Looking for a dependable way to keep your Katadyn Gravity Camp or Base Camp Pro filter running smoothly? The replacement cartridge with 0.2 micron ultra-flow filter technology offers just that. With a flow rate up to 2 liters per minute, it delivers clean, safe water fast, perfect for camping trips or group outings where reliable hydration matters. Here's what you get. Up to 1,500 liters of water filtered against bacteria, protozoan, cysts, and sediment. That means every sip you take is protected from common waterborne contaminants. Plus, the built-in filter protector screen extends the cartridge's lifespan, while the included sponge makes cleaning quick and easy. It's designed to keep your system working efficiently, so you don't have to worry about interruptions during your adventure. One seasoned user shared how this cartridge powered a group of 12 people for 12 days in the High Sierra. Even when flow slowed toward the end, a simple brush of the protector screen restored it enough to get through the trip. While it handles low sediment water well, it's wise to carry a spare filter for siltier conditions. Despite the price, many find it worth the investment, especially compared to hauling fuel and boiling water. Katadyn's reputation as the gold standard means you're trusting gear that truly works. If you're someone who values hassle-free, trustworthy water filtration for big groups or solo trips, this replacement cartridge is worth a look. It fits both the 6L Gravity Camp and the 10L Base Camp Pro systems, making it versatile for different needs. Whether you're planning a long expedition or just want peace of mind on your weekend getaway, this cartridge keeps your water flowing clean and safe. Ready to upgrade your Katadyn filter setup? Try the replacement cartridge when you're ready. It's a practical choice that ensures your hydration stays reliable, no matter where the trail takes you.